Hello everyone. In this video, we will try to construct a half subtractor using NAND gate, and we will also construct it with the help of IC7400. So before starting this experiment, let us explore a little bit about half subtractor and IC7400. A half subtractor is a logical circuit that performs a subtraction operation on two binary digits, and the half subtractor produces a sum and a borrow bit for the next stage. Means a half subtractor has two inputs bit and two output bit. The output bit one consists of difference and one consists of borrow. We can see the truth table and symbol for the subtractor circuit. So we can realize the subtractor circuit with the help of a XOR gate and a NAND gate. A NAND gate is connected with one of the NOT gate. And we can see the truth table that for different inputs we get different output. Now we will realize the same truth table using our circuit. So let's start the connection. So for doing this experiment, for making a half subtractor using NAND gate, we required 5 NAND gates and 2 bulb for showing a difference bit and one the borrow bit. And we require 2 key, that is key A and B, for providing the input signals. Let's start the connection. So first of all, the A input is connected to the one of the terminal of the first NAND gate, and B is connected to the second terminal of the first NAND gate. Now the output of the first NAND gate is connected to the one of the terminal of the second NAND gate, and the same point output is connected to the one of the terminal of the third NAND gate. Now this second terminal of third NAND gate and this second terminal of second NAND gate is basically connected to the input signals. That is, the second terminal of second NAND gate is connected with the A, and the second terminal of third NAND gate is connected with B. Now the output of these two NAND gates 2 and NAND gate 3 is connected to the terminals of NAND gate 4, and now this will give us the sum bit, which is connected to the positive terminal of LED, and the negative terminal of LED is grounded. Now for connecting the borrow bit, we will connect this from the point, that is the output coming from the third NAND gate, and this will be connected into the NAND gate. But here we required a NOT gate, so we can make NAND gate into NOT gate by making both of the connection common. Now this will act as a borrow bit, and we will connect the output to the LED, that is the positive terminal of LED, and negative terminal is connected to the ground. So this is the overall connection. Now let us verify the truth table after running this connection. Now we have truth table in our circuit. Now let us verify this truth table as soon as we start this circuit. So now switch 1 is kept open and switch 2 is kept open, that is the signal from A and B is 0, then the difference bit is 0 as it is shown by the not glowing bulb, and borrow is also 0. Now if we will connect the switch A and still open the switch B, then we will get difference bit 1 and borrow bit 0. So let us connect. As soon as we will close switch 1, we will get a difference bit and borrow bit will still 0. Now for the third case, if we will open the first switch and we will close the second switch, then we will obtain 1 bit difference and 1 bit borrow. So let us do. So as soon as we will connect the key B, we will get a difference bit also and a borrow bit also. Now for the fourth case, if we will close both the key, means provide the signal from both A and B, we will neither get a difference nor get a borrow. So if we will close the both switches, we will not get difference as well as borrow bit. So this is how our half subtractor circuit works, and we can realize it with the help of NAND gate. Now we will do the same connection with the help of IC 7400. And so for this circuit also we have the same connection or the connection that is similar type. We will connect the input A into the first terminal of the NAND gate A, and we will connect the input terminal B to the second terminal of NAND gate B. Now we will connect the one of the terminal of A to the second NAND gate, and we will connect terminal B to the one of the inputs of the third NAND gate. Now we will fed the output of the first NAND gate, a common output to the both the second NAND gate and the second terminal of third NAND gate. Now the output of the second NAND gate is connected to the input of the fourth NAND gate, and the output of the third NAND gate is connected to the input of the one of the terminal of fourth NAND gate. Now output of the fourth NAND gate will act as a difference bit, which is connected to the positive terminal of LED, and the negative terminal of LED is grounded. Now we will connect the positive power supply VCC source of a 5 volt to the 14th pin, and we will connect 7th pin to the ground. Now for the borrow bit, we will take a common input that as shown in the above diagram, that is from the output of the third NAND gate, and fed it to the one of the terminal of the NAND gate of second IC. So this is the output of the third NAND gate. So we will take the output from here, and we will connect it to the one of the terminal of the NAND gate, and we will short the both the terminal of NAND gate to make it as a NOT gate. And we will take output of this NAND gate and connect it with the borrow bit, means the LED which is representing our borrow bit, and second terminal of LED is connected to the ground. Now again this second IC is connected with the 5 volt source with the on the pin 14, and the 7th pin is connected to the ground. So this is the simple connection. Now we will verify it for our truth table. Now as soon as we will switch on the circuit, we will see that in the first case when A input is 0, B input is 0, then we will get difference bit 0 as well as borrow bit 0. So for second case, if we will close the switch 1 and keep the second switch open, then we will get a difference bit, but still we will not get a borrow bit. So let's see. As soon as we will close the first switch, we will get a difference bit, but we will not get any borrow bit. Now in the third case, if we will open the first switch and close the second switch, we will get both difference as well as borrow bit. So this is clearly visible. Now for the fourth case, if we will close the both switch, then we will get neither difference nor borrow bit. So this is the entire connection and realization of half adder on IC 7400. Thank you.